In this video, we solve this problem. The range of a bounded linear operator need not be closed. See, for that we take x is equal to y equal to L infinity, and t be the linear operator defined by tx is equal to x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3, etc., where x is equal to x1, x2, x3, etc. And in the previous video, we proved that this t is linear and bounded. So this t is a bounded linear operator. Now we are going to show that this range of t is not closed. In order to show that range of t is closed, it suffices to show that range of t closure is equal to range of t. So to show that RT is not closed, we need to show that range of t closure not equal to range of t. See, for that it suffices to show that there is a sequence in RT which does not converges to a point in RT. All sequences in RT converges to a point in RT closure. We have a result for that. Every sequence in a set converges to a point in its closure. So in order to show that closure and the set are different, we need to show that there is a sequence in the set which does not converges to a point in that set. In fact, that point belongs to its closure. So if that point is not in RT, then the set and its closure are different, so that here range of t not equal to range of t closure. So this is the way we are going to show that RT is not closed. So for that, we consider x1 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, etc. that belongs to L infinity, because supremum, the norm of x1 is supremum of the entries, that is 1. x2 is equal to sequence 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, etc. So in general, xn is a sequence whose first 10 terms are 1, 2, 3, etc. n in succession, and all the remaining terms are zeros. So xn belongs to L infinity for all n, because norm of xn is the supremum of entries of xn. xn il varuna entries in the supremum aanu xn in the norm, and the supremum is n. And for each n is less than infinity. So whatever big or with whatever big value for n is taken, after that stage, all terms are zeros. So the supremum is that n. So for each n, the supremum of xn is less than infinity. Therefore, each sequence is a bounded sequence. Therefore, each term belongs to L infinity. Now we will find their images. By definition of t, tx1 is equal to 1 by 1, x1 by 1, 0, 0, so x2 by 2, x2, x3, etc. all are zeros. So their images is 1 by 1, 0, 0, 0, etc. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, etc. tx2 is equal to x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3, x3, x4, etc. are all zeros. So the remainings are zeros. So the contribution is 1 by 1, 2 by 2. So that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, etc. tx3 is similarly 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, etc. In general, txn is equal to sequence 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. 1. These 1 in n positions and zeros elsewhere. So this sequence txn is a sequence in range of t. All these elements, which are images of these points of L infinity under t, belongs to range of t. So this is a sequence in range of t, and by the very nature of the sequence, it converges to the point 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. All terms equal to 1. So it converges to a point, converges to a sequence whose all terms are equal to 1. So the sequence txn converges to z, the all one sequence in range of t closure, because every sequence in range of t converges to a point in range of t closure. But this z is equal to 1, 1, 1. That does not belong to range of t. It belongs to range of t closure, but we claim that it does not belong to range of t. Why? Because the inverse image of z under t is x. By definition, this x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. n plus 1, etc. So this x does not belong to L infinity. ഈ z range of t ഉണ്ടാവണമെങ്കിൽ z എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എക്സിലെ അതായത് എൽ ഇൻഫിനിറ്റിയിലെ ഏതോ ഒരു പോയിന്റിന്റെ ടി ഇമേജ് ആയിരിക്കണം. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് എക്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that x must be 1 2 3 4 n n plus 1 etc. But this does not belong to L infinity because norm of x is equal to supremum of these entries. Supremum of these entries is infinity. Therefore, x cannot be a member of L infinity. So there are no pre-images for this z. So this z cannot be in the range of t. But z in fact belongs to range of t closure. So these two sets are different. Range of t and range of t closure are different. Therefore, this range of t is not a closed set. And that is the proof.